students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Good morning children. Welcome to Virtual Training Center Dadar. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we are going to learn an English poem of standard 5th and the title is Strawberries. Yes students, all of us have heard about strawberries and most of us have seen it and tasted also. Correct? So, let us learn something about this delicious fruit in an interesting way. Here is the story about a strawberry, and every information about strawberries will be expressed in a poetic way. We'll see. Strawberries. Yes, students, this poem is on page number 7 of a standard 5th Bal Bharati textbook. Okay, this poem has 2 stanzas. Each stanza has 4 lines. And we can see some rhyming words also. We'll discuss this poem in detail. Okay. The first stanza. Strawberries that in gardens grow are plump and juicy fine, but sweeter far as wise men know, spring from the woodland vine. Yes, here the poet says the strawberries are sweet and of different varieties. Garden strawberry is widely grown variety. It is appreciated for its aroma, means smell, and juicy texture and full rounded shape, means plump. One of its variety, that is woodland variety, is sweeter than many other type of strawberries, and they grow by climbing on other trees. Got this students? Yes, this is the first stanza with 4 lines. Here we can see rhyming words. See, this is the last word of the first line, grow, rhymes with the last word of the third line, no. Grow, no. Okay, now we'll move to second line. The last word is fine. It rhymes with the fourth line last word, wine. See, fine, wine. Okay, shall we move to the second stanza? Before that, we will see the meaning of some hard words. Plump. See the picture, means having a full rounded shape. Wine. See, this is a vine, means a vine is any plant with a growth habit of climbing. Means the stem of this vine plant is very weak, so it needs support of any wall or any poles or any trees. Means that climbs on that. Okay, that is called vine. Now the second stanza. No need for bowl and silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream, as the wild berry plucked in June beside the trickling stream. Here the poet says strawberry is very simple fruit and no knife or spoon or bowl is required to peel, cut and eat the fruit. It is so sweet and delicious that nothing like sugar, spice or cream is required with it. Wild strawberries are usually cultivated beside the slowly flowing stream and get picked off during late summers. Okay, this is all about the information about the strawberries. Now students, here also we can see some rhyming words. See here, spoon, it rhymes with June. Okay, and the last word of the second line, cream, that rhymes with the last word of the fourth line, that is stream. You know, rhyming words, they sound similar, correct? Okay, again here also some hard words are there. We will see the picture of hard words. See, this is spices. You can see here so many spices, that chili, cardamom, turmeric, so many are there. They give the taste and flavor to our food. These are called spices. Remember the word. Trickling stream. See this picture. To flow or fall by drops or in a small gentle stream means flow slowly. That is nothing but the meaning of trickling stream. Now students, we will list down the rhyming words of this poem. The first one is grow, no, fine, wine, spoon, June, cream, stream. Isn't it? These are the four rhyming words we got in the poem. Now, read the poem and answer the following. First question is, which are the two different places where strawberries grow? Yes, we know that the answer is in first stanza. The answer is strawberries grow in gardens and also in the woods near the streams. Correct? Now the second one, what are the two different ways of eating strawberries? How we can eat strawberries? The answer is in the second stanza. Strawberries can be eaten using a bowl and a silver spoon after adding sugar, spice or cream to it. Or the second method is, or they can be eaten directly after being plucked from the vine. Got this, students? Shall we move to the third question? Which strawberries are plump and juicy? Here the answer is the strawberries that grown in gardens are plump and juicy. You know that plump means round in shape. Juicy means you know that is full of juice. Fourth one, which strawberries are sweeter? Yes, the answer is in second stanza. The wild strawberries growing in the woods are sweeter. The fifth question is, how would you like to eat your strawberries? Yes, the answer is different for different children. So, if you like to eat directly by picking up from the vine, then you can write like that. Otherwise, if you want to eat using silver spoon or any spoon and bowl and adding sugar, spice or cream, then you have to write like that. So this is for you. Okay. Now the next one is find out when and where we get strawberries in Maharashtra. You know that our state is Maharashtra. We get strawberries in our state too. Yes, which are the different places and where we get, in which place we get the strawberries, we'll see. Strawberry is a seasonal fruit with the usual season lasting between October to November and April to May. Correct? We get strawberries at Mahabaleshwar, Pune, Nashik and Sangli in Maharashtra. Got these children? Here this Mahabaleshwar, Pune, Nashik and Sangli have good climate for strawberries. Make a list of your favorite fruits and vegetables and note down the time of the year when they are available in plenty. See students, I will do and I will write about the fruits. You have to write about the vegetables. Okay. Now fruits which we get and at what time we get, we will see here. Mango. Mango we get from April to May. Isn't it? Your May vacation, you eat mangoes. Means this is a summer fruit. Grapes we get in winter, that is from December to February. Jackfruits we get in May to June, means before the rain starts we get jackfruits. Yes students, like this you have to make a list of vegetables and you have to write the time of the year when we get them in plenty. Okay. Students, we know that eating fruits are good for our health. Now we will see what are the different benefits of eating strawberries. Okay. Now first one, strawberries help boost immunity. Yes, immunity means here full protective resistance against infection. Means it gives us the resistance power. Okay. Next one, good for our skin and also helps to whiten our teeth. Yes students, strawberries help our skin to become healthy and also it helps to whiten the teeth. Third one, they help to lower the risk of eye diseases. Fourth, strawberries are considered as brain food. Means it also helps to brain to become healthy. Strawberries help protect heart health. Okay, these are the benefits of eating strawberries. So dear students, this is all about this poem. Please go through the poem and learn it by heart. Okay, thank you very much for being with me and take care. Stay home, stay safe.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.